Welcome to Productly. Today we're counting down the top 5 best PC cases in 2026. Let's find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. NZXT H7 Flow. Color: white. Weight: 11.35 kilograms, 25 pounds. Category: Mid-Tower ATX Airflow PC case. If you're putting together a high-performance gaming PC, the NZXT H7 Flow 2026 is a case that's definitely worth a closer look. Right away, the clean white finish and simple design give it a modern appearance without feeling overdone. One of the biggest advantages here is airflow. The front mesh panel allows plenty of fresh air into the system, and NZXT includes 3 120mm front fans, so you're not starting with an empty case. What also stands out is the support for bottom-mounted fans that can push cool air directly toward the graphics card, which can be especially useful for powerful GPUs. Building inside the case feels well thought out. Cable routing is straightforward thanks to the wide channels, built-in hooks, and included straps, making it easier to keep everything neat. There's also generous room for large components, including support for up to a 420mm front radiator and a 360mm top radiator if you're planning a liquid-cooled setup. On the downside, this case is fairly heavy, so it's not the easiest option if you move your PC often. It also focuses on airflow rather than flashy built-in lighting, which may or may not fit your style. Overall, the NZXT H7 Flow 2026 offers excellent cooling potential, a clean design, and an easy building experience. If you're looking for a spacious mid-tower case with strong airflow and smart cable management, this is a solid choice. Number 4. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. Color: black. Weight: 7.8 kilograms, 17.2 pounds. Category: Mid-Tower ATX PC case. The Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is one of those PC cases that immediately stands out because it does things a little differently. Instead of arriving fully assembled, it comes in a flatpack design, making the building experience feel more like a fun DIY project than a standard PC build. What really makes this case interesting is its modular design. Many of the panels and internal parts can be rearranged, giving you the flexibility to customize the layout for your hardware or even future upgrades. If you enjoy tweaking your setup, there's plenty of room to get creative. Cooling is another strong point. Even though it includes just one pre-installed 120mm rear fan, the case supports a large number of additional fans and multiple radiator configurations, making it suitable for both air-cooled and liquid-cooled systems. There's also enough clearance for large graphics cards, tall CPU coolers, and even ATX motherboards, which is impressive for a case of this size. Cable management is thoughtfully designed, with several routing points and generous space behind the motherboard tray to help keep the interior clean. The front I/O is modern as well, featuring a high-speed USB Type-C port alongside USB Type-A ports. The only thing to keep in mind is that the flat pack concept means assembly takes more time than a traditional case. If you're looking for something ready to build in minutes, this may not be your favorite option. Overall, the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is a smart choice for PC builders who enjoy customization, strong cooling potential, and a unique building experience in a compact mid-tower design. Number 3. nWin A3 MicroATX Gaming Chassis. Color: black. Weight: 11.6 pounds, 5.26 kilograms. Category: Micro-ATX Gaming PC case. If you're after a compact PC case that doesn't sacrifice style, the nWin A3 MicroATX Gaming Chassis is definitely worth checking out. It has a clean, minimalist design with a tempered glass side panel that lets your hardware take center stage without looking overly flashy. One feature I really like is the vertical airflow layout. It helps move fresh air through the system efficiently, making it a solid option for gaming builds that generate plenty of heat. nWin also includes a slim ARGB fan right out of the box, so you get a little lighting and airflow without needing to buy an extra fan immediately. Building inside the case is surprisingly convenient. The screwless side panel makes it much easier to access your components, whether you're installing new hardware or doing routine maintenance. It also supports both air and water cooling, giving you flexibility if you decide to upgrade your cooling setup later on. Despite its compact footprint, there's enough room for a Micro-ATX gaming system while keeping the overall build clean and organized. Removable dust filters on the top and bottom are another nice touch since they make cleaning much easier over time. One limitation is that it isn't designed for full-size ATX motherboards, so you'll need to plan your build around Micro-ATX or Mini-ITX components. Overall, the nWin A3 is a stylish, well-designed compact case that offers good airflow, easy access, and flexible cooling options. It's a great choice for anyone building a modern Micro-ATX gaming PC without taking up too much desk space. Number 2. Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB. Color, white, snow. Weight, 14 pounds, 6.35 kilograms. Category, Mid-Tower eATX PC case. The Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB is a PC case that puts equal focus on looks and functionality. If you want to show off your components, the pillarless front and side tempered glass panels create a wide, uninterrupted view that gives your build a clean, premium appearance. Cooling is another area where this case performs well. It comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans, so you already have solid airflow right out of the box. If you're planning a more powerful setup, there's also support for a 360mm radiator at the top, making it suitable for high-end air or liquid-cooled systems. Inside, there's plenty of room for larger hardware. It supports eATX motherboards and graphics cards up to 420mm long, so compatibility shouldn't be a problem for most modern gaming builds. The bottom-mounted power supply helps keep the layout organized, while dust filters make regular maintenance a little easier. The front I/O is nicely updated as well, featuring a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port alongside 2 USB 3.0 ports for convenient access to modern devices. One thing to keep in mind is that the extensive tempered glass design looks fantastic, but it also means fingerprints and dust can become more noticeable, so occasional cleaning is part of the experience. Overall, the Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB is an excellent option for builders who want strong cooling, generous hardware compatibility, and a modern showcase design. It offers a great balance of performance and style for gaming or high-performance PC builds. Number 1. Lian A3 MicroATX Black. Color, black. Weight, 11 pounds, 5 kilograms. Category, Mini-Tower MicroATX PC case. The Lian A3 MicroATX is a great example of how a compact PC case can still support powerful hardware. Even though it has a small 26.3-liter footprint, it offers enough room for components you'd normally expect to install in a much larger chassis. The first thing that stands out is the airflow-focused design. Steel mesh panels on the top and sides allow plenty of fresh air to move through the case, which is especially helpful if you're using a high-performance graphics card or a powerful processor. It also supports up to a 360mm AIO cooler and multiple fan configurations, giving builders plenty of flexibility for thermal performance. Another feature I like is the modular layout. The power supply can be installed in different positions depending on your hardware, making it easier to optimize cable routing and maximize available space. It also supports ATX, SFX, and SFXL power supplies, which gives you more options during your build. Despite its compact size, there's room for graphics cards up to 415mm long, making this case compatible with many of today's larger GPUs. Just remember that no fans are included, so you'll need to budget for your own cooling solution before powering everything on. Overall, the Lian A3 MicroATX is an excellent choice for builders who want a compact, minimalist case without giving up support for high-end hardware. If you don't mind adding your own fans, it delivers impressive flexibility and cooling potential in a remarkably small package.